If you want to know how to get free traffic from Facebook, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss a video every time I upload one. I publish videos every week and I always create content that is going to help you make a success online. So this is video number 10 in a series of 10 videos that I am making to teach you how to get free traffic from Facebook. And by free traffic from Facebook, I mean how you can basically make money with your Facebook profile, with your Facebook account. This strategy is a whole entire strategy. So if this is the first video that you are watching, you need to go and watch videos 1 to 9 because if you only implement 1 or 2 steps, it's not going to work. I also want to add that next week will be published one big video where all these steps will be put together. Okay, so if you want to wait until next week to catch that big long video where everything will be in one single video, you can, obviously. That might be a little bit easier for you. Now make sure you watch this video until the end because I am going to share with you the number 1 mistake that I see people making when they use this strategy, and that basically probably makes a big difference in whether they have success with this strategy or not. So I'm going to share my screen. Let's go. So here's what I wanted to share. The one big mistake that people make using this method, and in fact using other methods too, but in this case we talk about the Facebook free marketing method. The one big mistake that people make is not collecting email addresses, okay? Now I'm going to show you how I do it, but I don't care what you are promoting on Facebook, whether you are an affiliate marketer promoting digital products. They can be high ticket course or very cheap Amazon products. Okay, I don't care whether you're promoting your own service, whether you're promoting physical products, right? Whatever you are doing, always try and collect email addresses. Without an email list, you don't really have a business, right? So I see people making this mistake very often, but I'll show you how I do it on my profile. Okay, when people click this link here to get access to free training, they land on this page. Now on this page I offer people free training. It's very valuable training, right? If people click there and get the free training, they get 3 videos, each about 40 minutes each. It's training from my mentor. It's really going to help people. Okay, so I am giving people something valuable, right? But in exchange for that, I need their email address. So if I click here, I am going to, people to get the free training need to give me their email address. Does that make sense? Okay. Then once they've given me their email address, they land here in my get response, my autoresponder, and I then email them. Right? I then grow the relationship. Okay, I email them value. I teach things. I make people laugh, right? I email all kinds of things, but I build a relationship with them. Okay, now I will show you again. This is a bit delicate. I do not want to put anyone on the spot. I don't want to show you profiles on Facebook of my Facebook friends who are doing it wrong, right? I don't want to do that. However, on Facebook, I see so many people doing it wrong, right? And I kind of wish I could help them, but there you go. Some people just don't listen, right? Or some people are just not
told the right way to do it. So I don't want to show you profiles of people where they're doing it wrong, because as I say, I don't want to be the one saying, yeah, they're doing it wrong, right? But what I can show you is an example of somebody where I clicked on a link on their profile. It was a bit like this, right? There was a link here, or maybe a link down here saying, get my free, get training now, or something like that, right? When I clicked, I landed on this. Okay, now again, I've blurred some elements just so that you can't, so that the person can't be recognized. But basically, this page, I land directly on a sales page, right? This page has something to buy. It has nothing for free that I can get in exchange for, if I give my email address. It's directly a sales page. Now, what you need to know is that most people will not buy straight away. It's not you, it's not your product, it's not your service. It just, most people will not buy straight away, especially if they don't know you, right? So you are going to get way more chances of making money if you offer something for free, get the email address, and then give the chance to buy. Okay, does that make sense? So of course, when people land here, they can click here, get my free training, and instantly apply to join my mentors program. And within a day, they can be in, right? That's not a problem. They don't have to go through the whole training to be able to buy from me. They can buy from me straight away. But the reality is most will not. So this person who's offering something straight away to sell, I reckon is unfortunately, well, it might be making very good money, right? But they could make even more money if they got people's email addresses of all the people who are not going to buy straight away, but who are interested in the product. Okay, so they'd make even more money. My guess is at least that they'd get even more money, they'd make even more money further down the line if they offered something for free, got the email address. Those who are going to buy straight away will just go on straight away to buy. But the vast majority who are not going to buy straight away, they will be in that person's email autoresponder. They can build that know, like, and trust. And some people will buy further down the line, right? It might be in the next few days. It might be in the next few months. It might be even in the next few years, right? So just to give you an idea, my mentor, right, Zach here, he gets 50, he says that he told me that he gets 50% of his sales 3 to 6 months further down the line from email follow-up, okay? And he is someone with influence who's made it, right? So all the more reason for someone like me who's not, I don't have a 7-figure business yet, right? I have a 4-figure income right now. I really need to build my influence, right? People have to get to know, like, and trust me. Why would they buy from me straight away, right? Does that make sense? So this is what you need to do. Offer something for free and collect people's email addresses. Don't send them straight to your sales page. If whatever you're promoting doesn't come with a page like this is called a bridge page, right? If it doesn't come with one, if you don't know how to make one, it's dead easy. You can make one very easily in ClickFunnels, and my next video will be teaching you how to do that. So watch my YouTube channel. I'll be teaching you how to do that. It's incredibly easy, okay? I hope this helps.
So I hope this makes sense. Don't make that mistake. Please don't make that mistake. And if you are in affiliate marketing, you might want to check this video. That will probably help you have success with it. Now, I hope you really enjoyed this series of 10 videos about getting free traffic from Facebook. Remember that next Monday I will be releasing one big video with all these steps all included in one big video. Just in case you want to watch it all in one big chunk, if you can bear watching me for about an hour on screen, then stay tuned. Video number 11 with a whole summary of this Facebook free strategy will be released next Monday. If you have any questions, as usual, about this method or about anything else to do with making money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, please post your comments, your questions in a comment below this video. You are very, very welcome to join my Facebook group. The link is in the pinned comment underneath this video. Just join me. I'm in there every day and I will help you out, obviously. I really hope you enjoyed this series. I hope it helps you to generate some income online. It's completely possible. If I can do it, believe me, anyone can do it. I will see you in another series of videos very soon. Bye for now.